Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your school Google account. This ties files to your classes. Next, create a single class folder named clearly. For example, Physics Fall 2026, so everything is organized from the start. Install the Google Drive app on your phone or desktop to enable automatic sync. This ensures files save locally and to the cloud. Once done, drag one or two current assignments into the folder to confirm sync is working and to establish your workflow. Now organize inside that class folder using subfolders like lectures, assignments, and notes to keep things scannable. When collaborating, set sharing permissions, choose editor for group work, commenter for feedback, viewer for read-only resources, because permissions prevent accidental edits. Make naming consistent. Course name date V1 so you can track versions without confusion. Also use Drive's built-in search and color labels to find items fast. Once you adopt this structure, it saves time every week. To finish tasks, move completed assignments into a submitted folder and double-check share links or permissions required by your instructor. Enable offline access for key files and set up an extra backup. Export important docs to PDF or copy them to another account, so you won't lose work if something goes wrong. If syncing fails, first check your Drive storage quota and internet connection, then sign out and reconnect the account. This often resolves permission or authentication hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.